Hello children, in today's video we will learn how to balance any chemical equation. I'll take simplest chemical equation. Okay. H2 plus O2 gives water, H2O. It is an unbalanced chemical equation. In the reactant side, there are two hydrogen atoms, oxygen, two oxygen atoms. Product side, two hydrogen atoms, oxygen, one atom. Oxygen is not balanced. So we need to balance this equation, but we cannot change the formula of the substance, okay? So in order to balance oxygen on both the side, we cannot write the H2O2. Okay, it will be wrong because H2O2 is hydrogen peroxide. It is not water. Okay, so that will be wrong. So if you want to balance the chemical equation, you have to put numbers 2, 3, 4, etc. in front of the formula of the substance or the symbol. So let's try to balance this equation by writing 2 here. Okay. Now, oxygen is balanced in the reactant side and the product side, but hydrogen is not balanced. So make it 2. Now the equation is balanced. Okay, there are 4 hydrogen atoms in the reactant side, 4 hydrogen atoms in the product side, 2 oxygen atoms in the reactant side, and 2 oxygen atoms in the product side. So this equation is balanced. Now let's take another equation. Magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Count number of magnesium and oxygen atoms on the reactant and the product side. Magnesium 1 in the reactant side. Oxygen 2 in the reactant side. Magnesium 1 in the product side. Oxygen 1. Oxygen is not balanced. So how to balance it? Let's try to balance it by writing 2 here. So this balances oxygen, the reactant side and the product side, but magnesium is not balanced, so write 2 here. Now it's balanced. Magnesium 2 in the reactant side, 2 in the product side, oxygen 2 in the reactant side, 2 in the product side. So it's balanced. So let's try to balance another chemical equation. N2 plus H2 is NH3 ammonia. Count number of nitrogen and hydrogen atoms on the reactant side and the product side. Nitrogen it's 2 and the reactant side. Hydrogen it's 2 and the reactant side. Nitrogen is 1 in the product side. Hydrogen is 3 in the product side. So how to balance this? Try to balance it by writing 2 here. So nitrogen is balanced from side 2 and 2n. Hydrogen is 6 here, so make it 3. Make it 3. So it's balanced now. Nitrogen 2 here in the reactant side and nitrogen 2 in the product side. Hydrogen 6 in the reactant side. Hydrogen 6 in the product side. So it's balanced. Try to balance another equation. Okay, we take SO2 plus O2 gives SO3, sulfur trioxide. Sulfur dioxide plus oxygen gives sulfur trioxide. So sulfur in the reactant side 1, oxygen reactant side 4, sulfur in the product side 1, oxygen in the product side 3. Okay, so oxygen is not balanced. So how to balance it? Right to here. Taken very simple chemical equations. Okay, so in the later video, I'll be coming up with difficult chemical equations, okay, for balancing. Now let's try to balance this. 2 sulfur, so make it 2 here. No, is it balanced now? 2 sulfur, 4 plus 2, 6 oxygen, 6 oxygen, yeah, it's balanced. 2 in the reactant side, 2 in the product side, 2 into 2 oxygen, 4 oxygen plus 2, 6. 6 in the reactant side, 6 oxygen atoms in the product side. It's balanced. Okay, we will try one more equation, simple chemical equation for balancing. Zinc plus HCl, hydrochloric acid, gives zinc chloride plus H2, hydrogen gas. Okay, now let's count number of atoms on both the sides. Reactant side, product side. Zinc 1, hydrogen 1, chlorine 1. Product side, zinc 1, hydrogen 2, chlorine 2. Chlorine are unbalanced, so zinc. Is it balanced now? Yeah. Zinc on both the side 1, hydrogen both the side 2 atoms, chlorine both the sides 2 atoms. Yeah, it's balanced. We will try to balance it using the trick. So when such type of chemical equations are given, you will balance it by following one order. Metals will be balanced first, and then comes non-metals. Then if oxygen is there, oxygen atom will be balanced. Finally, hydrogen atom will be balanced. Okay, now let's try to balance this chemical equation applying this trick. So aluminium comes first. Copper, also metal. So you can take in any order. Both are metals. Then comes non-metal. Then only three are there. So let's check whether they are balanced or not. Let's start with aluminium. Aluminium same on both the sides, balanced on both the sides. Copper balanced on both the sides. Chlorine is not balanced. So chlorine is also balanced. Now copper is not balanced. Copper is also balanced. Chlorine is also balanced. Aluminium is not balanced. Aluminium is also balanced. So this way we balance chemical equations applying the trick. Now let's balance this chemical equation. Okay. Metals first. Barium is a metal. Then aluminium is a metal. Chlorine comes next, is a non-metal. Then comes oxygen. Barium is balanced on both the sides. Aluminium is not balanced. Balance it. Balanced. Chlorine is not balanced. Balance it. Chlorine is also balanced. Oxygen 12 and okay, not balanced. Balanced now. Barium 3 in the reactant side, 3 in the product side. Aluminium 2 on both the sides. Sulfur 3 both the side. Sulfur, yeah, sulfur is also there. Oxygen 12 both the sides. Balanced. Okay, sulfur is also balanced. So this is how we balance a chemical equation. Let's balance this equation now. Metals first. Iron is the metal. Sodium is the metal. Sulfur is the non-metal. Oxygen is the non-metal. Okay, hydrogen is also there. Okay, now in this order you have to balance. So iron balanced both sides. Sodium not balanced. Okay, balanced now. Sulfur balanced. Oxygen 4 plus 2 6 and 4 plus 2 6 balanced. Hydrogen 2 on the reactant side, 2 on the product side. Let's check again. Iron balanced. Sodium balanced. Sulfur balanced. Oxygen 4 plus 2 6 and 2 plus 4 6 balanced. Hydrogen 2 both the sides balanced. Let's balance this chemical equation now. Aluminium is a metal, comes first. Then comes oxygen. Then comes hydrogen. So aluminium is not balanced. Balance it. Balance. Oxygen 6. So make it 3 here. Balance. Hydrogen 6. 6 balanced. Once again, aluminium 2 both the sides. Oxygen 6 both the sides. Hydrogen 6 both the sides. So in this way, we try to balance the equation. Applying the trick, metals are balanced first, then non-metals, then oxygen, and finally hydrogen atoms are balanced